Hey everybody, welcome back. Sive Morten here with the ForexPeaceArmy.com. Let's update our view on euro currency. Today, as you can see, we do not have a lot of objects for discussion. So yes, market mostly stands at the same point that we discussed yesterday. The pullback that we suggested now stands in progress. And now the major question is about the the possible size of this pullback. What will be the reaction? If we taken in consideration this grabber, so at least we should take it out of this top. So it seems that market should test an area around 1650. It's at least. At the same time, we have two major uncertainty factors. First is ground operation in Iran. We do not know what will happen, but some rumors suggest that it might start in Easter holiday, so these holidays. In this case, as I already talked about, we expect that crude oil probably will jump and euro currency will drop. And as I said, I wouldn't be surprised too much if we will get a kind of the butterfly to the downside in this case. So we can't withdraw the situation. Second uncertainty is a payrolls report today, and it will happen on a thin market because not every trader is trading on Good Friday. So today nominally is a holiday, so a reaction might be stronger because market just thinner. At the same time, taking into consideration the recent ADP numbers, I wouldn't say that, at least based on the ADP, that payrolls could bring some really big negative surprise. It also depends on what you think it should be negative. Some investors suggest that drop in the payrolls will be not negative but positive surprise, just because Fed will start cutting rate. So that's actually two major factors that we are considering currently. Although on the technical side, we do not have a lot of change. So on the 4-time frame chart, I do not see anything to comment. So market mostly stands in the same area. Speaking about the hourly chart, well, actually, we have this pullback. If you have taken position yesterday in this agreement support, you could move stops to the break-even. So what will happen? Potentially, we're standing in a point where another area where you could consider possible taking the position until the major activity is not started yet, and if you're not actually scared of the possible geopolitical news. So maybe we will get at least a kind of the ABCD that led us to get some positive result and move stops to the break-even. So I hope that at least the minor ABCD pattern we will get. Concerning about action about the A point, about the top, well, due to the factors that we just discussed, I'm not sure that definitely will happen, although technicals suggest this. Because if you take a look at recent news, you will see that there is no even smell of the escalation, no smell of the ceasefire. So yesterday, Iran attacked the secret bunker in the Middle East where the United States pilots have been located, and so this is really big hurt to the overall coalition in the region. In recent 12 hours, the two F-15 have been shot down. So it's actually nothing positive is going on here. So all that Trump said, it was just some his wishes probably, and attempt to manipulating the markets once again. Pete Hegseth started the massive firing in the Ministry of the War. They're firing one general after another, so it means that the overall situation is not good. And from that standpoint of view, we should understand that the bearish pressure here is still really significant. So nothing is over yet, and in any moment, the escalation could get another spiral. So that actually makes me to be a bit, maybe not skeptical, but very careful with any bullish setups that we have currently. So just keep it in mind, trying to minimize your risk, tight stops when it will be possible, and don't hold the positions with the, if you do not have the break-even stop, I mean for the weekend. So it might be really risky. Better to close it before the weekend. Besides, on Monday, it also will be the holiday in Europe. So Easter Monday, United States, it's not a holiday, but in Europe, it will be the holiday. So markets once again will be thin. That's probably all for now. Just keep watching. Those of you who would like to take the part in this bullish trade. So currently, market in general stands in a point where theoretically you could try to do this. All others who are not planning and who are searching chance to go short probably might make sense to wait, because at this point I do not see anything else here.